Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fareen Khatun and today video is very interesting. I am going to introduce you a very good software or tool. I think so it's going to help you because I'm using it for a while as being a researcher. It helps me a lot for summarizing the videos on YouTube. So introducing to you USUM. I'm calling it USUM, and there's a person called Ron who made this and work on it, and I'm got my very first collaboration. So I hope that you love the video. And I'm going to in detail tell you about how I'm using it and how you can use it and what it is. And let's talk more about it. So introducing the video, summarizing the videos which are available on YouTube. So you can use that.
Response of plants and how plants deal with stress response. External conditions that adversely affect the growth,
So you can see
development, or productivity of plant in such a way, in any way,
this
will be
make
termed as a type of
a
stress.
very complete
Stress triggers
transcript
a
of the
wide range
video.
of plant responses.
Wait a second, sir. So this tool can make a very complete transcript of the video. So you can just go through it and having a very clear notes. And you can copy also and save on your document. Yeah, and there are your notes. Okay. So I'm making it for making notes. So having gone through all the videos and make the notes at one place.
Something worth thinking about as you settle in tonight. Right now, at this very moment, there are electrical signals racing through your body at speeds that would put most internet connections to shame. Some of them are traveling at over 270 miles per hour. Others are crawling along at barely a mile per hour. And the difference between those fast ones and those slow ones, the reason some signals sprint and others take their sweet time, that's one of the most elegant engineering stories in all of biology. But we'll get to that. Let's start somewhere quieter. Let's start with what
When scientists sample the soil, bodies of water, or even the air for DNA,
So you have seen that I have shown you a number of videos and how you can use it. So I told you like how I'm personally using it for a long videos, which because I didn't have time, I want to know any new tool or something like that, and I want to make notes. So it's going to be transcript everything, which is going to summarize or transcript the video, YouTube video you are seeing it. So I'm taking it as a making a notes. All those long 2 hours videos and making a notes in a one way, and it's transcript, and I just copy it and just go through it wherever, and I edit as per my mind or whatever I want to do. So it makes me like reduce the wastage of time, or it reduce my time for that. And also the second thing, how I'm finding it applicable, that you click on the video, you don't know what is going to be tell you about more, right? So there is already a transcript, so you can just read and let to know that okay, this is going to be help me or not. Okay. And the very third thing, I'm using it for podcast. Yeah, I love to listen long podcasts, so I use them for listening. And because it contains so much information, sometimes you want to write something, right? So you want to write down something. So here it's already written, and you know what it's going to be tell, so you can't miss it. You can just revisit it, your notes or something like that. This is going to help you out. And there is no language limitation, which I found very good. It's working for my Hindi, and I don't know what, I think I have used it for the Korean also, and it's going to transcript that also. So let's try that also, if it's going to be work for other language or not. Okay, see,
어디에서
there
왔어요?
is Korean language is also working.
어디에서 왔어요?
So basically, I'm
I'm from
finding
Korea.
no limitation.
한국
It's working for Korean also, so I hope that it works for another languages too. So I found that it's working for Korean also, right? So there's a greater chance it works for other languages too. So I think you should apply, and let me know how you found it useful. For what are you using for lyrics, music? Because sometimes I just uh, transcript a song and get the lyrics. Yeah, it's fun. So why not? Why use for limited? So I'm now telling you how you can get the access, how you can do it. So I'm going to share you a website link. Just go through it, and demonst this video is attached there, so you don't need to be worried about it. Also, you have to add to Chrome. Okay, you can have an overview also, and can just it's coming removed from Chrome because it's already added on my Chrome. That's why here. So you must know how to add to Chrome, right? When you add to Chrome, you have like free access to it, but it's limited. So that's why I and visit it, because I found it very useful, and I'm personally using it. I after taking trial and after going through it, I didn't detach it. There is a very enough limited for free trial, but I think you should go for pro. And if you're planning for going for pro, you can use my code, which is I have given here, and which is Farin Digital 10, FARINDIGITAL 10. So I will let you know here, and all the description full with details about USUM. And let me know if you have any other query or any. I am more looking for the way how you use it, and let me know in the comment section कि कैसे यूज किया इस चीज को, है ना? क्योंकि मैं तो कई कबार ऐसे गानों के लिए भी यूज कर ले रही हूँ for lyrics purpose. I didn't detach it. I found it very useful, and for summarizing long study videos, I think you should go through it once, and you there is a limitation in the free one, so you can go for pro. So use my code and just use it. And this is for it today. Lovely to see you all, and see you in the our very next podcast, and which is I'm going to plan a very soon. So I hope that you subscribe the channel, stay tuned, and share with your loved ones. Bye.